Hello everyone, my name is June. Welcome to my channel Plants in Tropical Spaces. I'm a plant and gardening content writer living in Lagos, Nigeria. I write to inspire a DIY gardening culture in my community. Today I would like to mount a Staghorn fern. This is a Staghorn fern I mounted in May last year, so it's been living on this for a year now, and this is a kangaroo paw fern. It's a different fern. But today what I want to do is mount some bigger ferns for my friend. Her ferns have been growing in a pot, so I want to mount them on wood. So the first thing I'm going to do is drive a nail into this piece of wood. This is a piece of a bougainvillea trunk from my dad's garden. Earlier, my husband helped me cut the wood in two. It was like this, yes. So I have these two pieces, and I'm going to drive a nail, and I'm going to try and do that without hammering the nail into my fingers and try and get it straight. Let's see. Okay, it's not as difficult as I feared. Can't remember the last time I did this. Let's see. Great. So this would hang against a piece of wire gauze or something, right? So I'm going to mount one of these ferns now. I'm putting on gloves because you never know what I might find when I'm touching soil. I'm quite squeamish. So let's start. I'm going to use this knife to cut through the front. It's been growing in soil. Oh, it's not so easy to do. Let's see, this looks easier. This is a smaller one. I think. Okay, so tearing through. Oh, yeah, that's one. I'm looking for a bigger one. It feels like cork, something spongy. I think. Right. So this is not bad. I wonder what material this is. This might be cork or something. So what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to take this out of the. I'm not going to take the fern out. I think I'm just going to tie it on like this, so that it just continues to grow in the material which it was already used to. So I will put two. I'll put one here and put another one here. Let me get, yeah, so this small one that I got out earlier, I wonder what material this is. I hope you can see it. It's, I have no idea. Yeah, so just tie it there and let it continue life. I can see some termites. Well, what can I do? I think what I'll do is that I'll spray it down with neem oil when I'm done tying it. Thanks for joining me. I'm out of breath. It's been hard work filming myself and doing this. So these are the Staghorn ferns I mounted. I managed to get 4 on these logs and then 2 without the log. So I'm going to have to look for another piece of wood to mount them. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please like, share the video with others. Like I said, I want to inspire DIY gardening culture in my community. So thanks for joining me. Read my blog, watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a good day. Bye. You can actually